I came out here the other day to work on the Jeep hold down here. It's some kind of aftermarket. It's pretty beefy, but it needed a little help. This crossbar needs to be replaced, but it's tight now, so the battery's not rattling. And I noticed this jerry rig here. I'm thinking, God, who'd do something stupid like this? So I took the terminal off on both of them, cleaned them, and left this one out, and then the starter wouldn't start. It would just click. So I put it back, and the starter starts. So apparently, there's a ground issue somewhere. So what I did was the ground cable here goes from here to, I don't know if you can see it at the end of the dipstick. There's a stud sticking out of the block, and there's like 3 grounds on it. It goes to there. The other ground is from the body here down to that head stud. Can you see that? So I checked I used my meter, and I checked them, and they have continuity in all these cases. But as we know from having a Renix Jeep, there's an issue with grounds. They need to be refreshed. So I'll have to check the cruiser54.com website and find out what exactly needs to be improved here. The thing starts reliably. I just don't like jerry rig stuff on my vehicles. It's just kind of crappy. So there's some grounds I need to work on. But for now, it runs. It works perfectly. Anyway, that's what I found today. Just thought I'd let you know. Nobody's surprised if you own a Renix if the grounds aren't good. Anyway, we went wheeling yesterday, and I was happy that the battery was anchored tight. Batteries have gotten real expensive these days. All right, well, that's it. 86 Renix 5-speed. See you, bye.